How to use Mudrex iTrading Bot Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Mudrex iTrading Bot is a platform that automates cryptocurrency trading, but beginners often make costly mistakes if they dive in without understanding it fully. Here's how to use Mudrex properly. The first mistake is ignoring risk management. Crypto markets are volatile, and bots can amplify gains or losses. Beginners sometimes invest large amounts without setting stop-loss limits or risk parameters. Start small and define clear risk rules. Second mistake, blindly copying strategies. Mudrex allows users to follow expert bots, but not all strategies fit your goals or risk tolerance. Analyze each strategy's historical performance and adjust parameters accordingly. Third mistake, neglecting fees. Mudrex charges platform and trading fees that can impact profits. Beginners often overlook these costs, reducing net returns. Factor fees into your expected outcomes. Fourth mistake, forgetting market conditions. Bots perform differently in bull and bear markets. Beginners may assume past performance guarantees future results. Monitor market trends and adjust strategies when needed. Finally, some users fail to monitor activity. Automated trading doesn't mean set it and forget it. Beginners should review bot performance balances and open trades regularly to prevent unexpected losses. Using Mudrex properly means managing risk, evaluating strategies, accounting for fees, adapting to market conditions, and monitoring performance. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you can harness iTrading tools effectively while keeping your crypto investments safer.